In the serene Qigu district of Tainan, the sun dipped low, casting golden rays across the sprawling salt fields. For generations, the residents cherished this land, where the shimmer of salt reflected not just light, but their way of life. As the salty breeze danced through the air, it carried whispers of change. One morning, May, a young girl with a heart as bright as the sun, noticed a group of men in suits inspecting the fields. They spoke of solar panels, promising a cleaner future, but hinting at the displacement of the salt fields. Intrigued yet concerned, May decided to investigate. That evening, she gathered her friends by the shore, the salty scent of the ocean mingling with the fresh air. "What if they take our salt fields away?" she asked, her voice trembling. "What about the crabs we catch and the tourists who come to see the salt harvest?" Her friends, who shared her love for the salt fields, nodded solemnly. They had watched their parents toil under the sun, extracting crystals of salt, a craft passed down through generations. The fields weren't just a livelihood, they were a part of their identity. Determined to protect their home, May and her friends decided to create a project. They would gather stories from the elders, documenting their memories of the salt fields and the beauty of their ecosystem. They spoke to Chung, the oldest resident, who recounted tales of the thriving wildlife and the delicate balance of nature. "The salt fields are a sanctuary," he said. "If we lose them, we lose a part of ourselves." With each story they collected, the children crafted a presentation to share with the community. They invited everyone to a town hall meeting where the air buzzed with anticipation. As May stood before her neighbors, her heart raced. She showed photos of the vibrant salt fields, the unique wildlife, and shared the voices of the elders who had cultivated this land with love and respect. "Solar energy is important," she admitted, "but not at the cost of our home. We can find solutions that protect our salt fields and support renewable energy." The room filled with murmurs of agreement. The community realized that while they valued sustainable energy, it shouldn't come at the expense of their heritage. They brainstormed ideas to integrate solar energy in a way that respected their environment, perhaps on rooftops or in less impactful areas. With renewed spirit, the townsfolk decided to approach the developers. They suggested collaborations to explore alternative locations for solar panels, emphasizing the importance of preserving the salt fields for future generations. Months passed, and the developers agreed to reconsider their plans. May's voice had united the community, turning fear into action. The salt fields remained untouched, and new solar initiatives sprouted elsewhere, reflecting the harmony between progress and tradition. As the sun set over Qigu, the shimmering salt fields stood proud, a testament to the resilience of the community. May smiled, knowing they had protected not just the land, but the spirit of their home. The whisper of the salt fields would continue to tell their story, echoing through generations.